Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Maria Eva Armabenda. 34 years old. I live in Philippines, Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental. I am married and blessed to have three children, 15 years old, 11 years old, and 6 years old. My highest education attainment is high school graduate, and my hobbies are cooking and selling food. My work experience in Kuwait for being a domestic helper for 3 years. I served 7 members of the family, including 5 children, ages 21 years old, 17 years old, and 15 years old, 14 and 11 years old. My duties are taking care of them, preparing and cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, sometimes uh, car washing, and grocery shopping. I also have a lot of experience for taking care a newborn baby, toddler, and elderly. I'd like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for my family needs and especially to have savings for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities to work with you. And I am looking forward to work in your house as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.